Steve, you want to say hi? Okay, he's saying hi too. We're gonna make ketchup today. I always make my own ketchup just because I don't like the ingredients that are in a lot of the store-bought ketchups. I don't like having sugar, refined sugar in my ketchup. That's really the main thing even the organic ones have. So I always make my own. It's super simple. First of all, we use tomato paste. I really like this one because I like the texture of it for making ketchup. So you're just going to take a container of this. How big is this? This is 7 ounces. Okay, so we're just going to open this up and we're going to put it in the bowl. And Xavier, I'm going to let you do some stuff in just a second. Honey. So my kids do like for the ketchup to be a little sweet, so we do put some honey in it to sweeten it a little bit. As you can see, they're crazy about honey. Okay, so you have your tomato paste in the bowl. Then, and you guys are going to hate me, but I really don't measure. I just kind of do it to what I see and what I think will work. So I'm going to pour a little honey in here. I'd say maybe 2 teaspoons or something.
Red.
So good.
Yeah.
Then Xavier's going to sprinkle some, I like to use some powdered dry mustard. It's always organic, of course, so go ahead and sprinkle some in there. So for this, I'd say maybe like 1/4 teaspoon, maybe 1/2 teaspoon. I think you got a little honey on it, so here, let Mommy do it a little bit. So we're going to just sprinkle that in there. And we're going to clean this off in a minute. And then you want to put a little bit of salt. So Zave, can you get like just a little bit of salt out and put it in there? Yeah. There you go. Yeah, you can maybe do one more just like that. And we like to use Himalayan sea salt for everything. Sometimes because the granules are so big when you're baking and stuff, you want to use just regular sea salt. But I really like the benefits of the Himalayan sea salt. So we try to use that for most things. It's very strong, so you just use a teeny tiny itty bitty bit of it. You're gonna put the top on. Okay, so we have all that stuff in there. And then lastly, you're gonna put water because you want your ketchup to be a little more liquidy than the condensed tomato paste is. So we're gonna add some water. And this is another part where I just kind of stir it up and just kind of see how much I want to put in there. Do you want to stir some? You want to stir? Or you want to put more water? Maybe a little bit. Oh, that's probably plenty.
Yeah.
So I'd say, I don't know, maybe like 1/4 cup of water, maybe less. So you're just going to stir it up real good. And feel free to add anything else. I also make my own tomato sauce, like for pizzas. And I make it almost the exact same way, except I don't add honey or water. I add olive oil and oregano, dried oregano and basil and pepper and things like that in there as well. And that makes a really nice tomato sauce. So that's your ketchup. And then once you have it, you can see the texture is a lot more runny now. And then you can just pour it back. Somebody's getting crazy. You can pour it back into the container and then use it for whatever you want to use it for. So that's how easy it is to make your own ketchup. Takes about, I don't know, what'd that take, 2 minutes with Mr. Crazy over here? If I can do it, you can do it. See you later.